their CEO is coming out and giving his side of the story, but it's mostly coping and lies. We're going to get into it today on The Legal Mind, so we teach you to be your own judge. I'm Andrew Esquire, American attorney, and specifically an attorney with almost a decade of experience in corporate law, dealing with corporate situations. And one reason why I'm doing this review for you today is I have been on the other side of the table interpreting these corporate statements, or even working with CEOs to create corporate statements and what you can say and put out there. Now, this is an interview that was done with Fox just today, so let's get right into it.
I go this route instead of, as people say, try to just settle Brian's collection and move on and make everyone forget it. Was that ever an option?
And that's what I said, by the way, from the beginning. I said this is something, if they had any corporate common sense, this is, of course, the CEO, Eamon McNeff, if they had any real experience and know-how and actually wanted to deal with this, they would have seen this coming a mile away, the publicity nightmare. As we're going to see here, they really didn't even have to pay the $200K because they're actually saying, hey,
they
now
could have just given them the stuff back.
Come down to a number around 100K. So they're saying, okay, 100K. Now that is a lot for an individual, but for a company, come on, just pay that out. The amount you've now had to incur because of this is far beyond that in value. It absolutely.
I think it might destroy their company, if you want me to be honest. Like having something like this happen, especially whenever it goes like, for example, if it was only like one individual store that was doing this and it wasn't in corporate, then I don't think people would really care and like hold the company accountable. But the fact that the CEO is directly involved, you have the religious angle with it as well. It just looks really, really, really bad.
Was not worth it.